So on March 12th, I discovered a device in the tree aimed at my pool area, and it's been there regularly. What's particular about this device is the look of this device. It is a strangely red colored center, purple color box, and quite well disguised. So that's on the tree, aiming at my pool area. I think I had a picture what it shows actually. Let me see a daytime picture. So this is a fence between properties. So that is the device on the tree during the day. And let me see if I can find actually where you can see the pool. It's just the ducks. So this is aiming at the pool area, and I think I have some pictures where you can actually see the tree. That was a nighttime picture. You can see part of the tree. So that's at nighttime. So what is happening at night, that purple device gets taken down, and it is aimed at my location. So it's taken down from there, moved to that area. I think it was someplace I took a pictures how well this device is mounted onto the tree. So when it comes to, so this is the picture where you can actually, when you zoom in, you can see that box outline here in the back. I probably need a better angle. It's somehow not showing very well, but on the picture, I don't know, because of reflection or, but actually on the right side you can see that box outline right on the right side, the purple box. So when what happens with that, it is at night time. When I sit on a patio, it's aimed right at my patio. Must turn the yard microwave weapon off, yard house microwave weapon off. No, it's still there, I think. Yep. It's probably toned down since I started videotaping. But here is another microwave weapon right on the yard house. And let me see. So this is aimed at me. Yeah, here is the other one. That's also microwave weapons. That is right on the yard house. It's basically aimed at, both of them are aimed at my house. Aimed at these windows. I put some blockage on these two windows. I put some blockage, as I noticed from security cameras that that beam coming into my kitchen was following my movements in the kitchen. So as I'm gonna be moving towards the pool patio, the pool patio is over there. So that device has a camera on and has limited capability to turn. And the other one right now you see is a button on the yacht house. So one night when I was talking to my lady friend on the phone, I came to sit on a pool patio and I was surprised to see that device was turned at me. So I moved to the different seat on my pool patio. So that device could not reach me in this area. It cannot rotate that far. So the next day after that phone call, which is March 12th, I discovered that the device was placed higher in the tree and aimed straight at my pool area. So this other one that is once again in the yard house in the backyard. Here is once again something attached to that device that is not normal. So now I'm gonna, and here we go. I need to, and here we go. Here is this one. Aim straight at this area. And then here is more contraptions behind the tarp on the east side of my east neighbor. Here is more stuff over there. My EMF levels in the house have been 60-80 miliGaus. So I'm walking up closer. So I think whatever it's down below, it might be a camera. Here is another device down below that stays on during the day, that whiter spot. So let's see. That is as much as that device can turn. And so here is a patio, and here is a pool patio. So by the door was a chair I was sitting in. You can see reflection from that light. I was getting hit with frequency, so I moved to that corner seat by the grill. And that's for the next day. The device during the day was put on the tree and aimed at my pool to harm me when I swim inside my pool. So here you go. So hopefully you can see the bushes. And that is just shining through the bushes. And the bear is higher. I could see the other thing through the bushes too. So if I walk here, so here I can see the yard house light. Here was a tree light. So the lower one is yard house light. I think it got, no, it's still here. So the dot, lower dot on the left is a yard house light, and this is shining through the bushes. Is 3 light bulb, but really it's not a light, it's a device. So these things are aimed at my body, and my body starts heating up. So let's see, can I get... No. I'm gonna go to this side here. Does that look like a yard light? Not really. Let's see if I can get that box shape here. It's a little too bright to catch on that. And of course, that is microwave weapon on the yard house on the right, microwave weapon on the tree on the left side, and I'm gonna go back. So this already, it shines. Literally, I put some blocks on here to block that radiation, but that's where it's this bright thing here, aluminum Faraday bag, that's where that tree light is aimed at. And looks like those two, not the lights really, I keep saying tree light, those are microwave weapons. And both of them are aimed at my house. Also aimed at this window. So looking at the kitchen, and on the video I caught reflection of both lights in one of the kitchen windows, and also I not caught on a surveillance video that the tree light, while it was shining on the window, was following my movements inside the kitchen. The beam was penetrating several layers of protective material placed in the window, and could see my head movement around the kitchen, and that beam followed me inside my kitchen. So, and I was a little bit wondering about that, but once I took a picture of that, I realized here is a camera attached. I've seen that semi-rotational base before on the pictures. Yeah, this is shining right through the bushes. So I placed, did some work around the bushes to block this thing out. So I'm sitting down, it's aimed directly at my seat. Periodically it flares up so bright it's blinding, causes my body to heat up. And here is some interesting pulsing going on. Mind you, that's behind the bushes. So that pulse coming from this device is going straight through the vegetation. So that is my east neighbor in Phoenix, contract killer. We are in legal proceedings, we'll see where it goes. And he is absolutely, he doesn't care. I got some more stuff that's happening in the front yard. Here are a lot more antennas placed. I caught him with multiple wireless directional communication antennas on the roof of his Jeep parked close to my bedroom. So he is triangulating on my position inside my home also. So my EMF levels inside my home had been 60, 80 miliGaus. Normal is under 2.5 miliGaus. Also have high electrical frequencies constantly, 50, 60 volts per meter. Normal is 10. And frequently I'm gonna have as high as 1000 volts per meter. End of November I had a event where we had a power outage, and during the power outage I had close to 1000 volts per meter electrical frequencies in my home. And my east neighbor had a couple guys in the backyard when I walked outside. So you can see on the video that the device is pulsing. Again, yard lights don't do this kind of thing. And this pulsing is actually going straight through the vegetation. Here are actually bushes in between. So that is microwave radiation. Let's see, and I forgot if I have shown, but so I have other neighbors over there. That's the next neighbor's pass. This one again looks like multiple wireless antennas placed behind the tarp. Some of them shine through the tarp middle of the day. That's another source of high EMF frequencies. And those are again same neighbors who sent the fraudulent letter to the court on behalf of my east neighbor. So they are basically working for the same criminal cartel. And I can watch little bits is pulsing going through the vegetation aimed directly at me. So that's the microwave weapon used in my neighborhood by civilians against civilians.